Over the last few months, I've become increasingly interested in one important subject: investing. Not only investing money, but understanding how the world is changing economically. Because honestly, in today's world, financial awareness is no longer optional. Inflation is rising globally. Currencies continue losing purchasing power over time. Geopolitical uncertainty is increasing. And technology is changing industries rapidly. So today, I want to share 6 sectors in India that I personally believe could have strong long-term potential over the coming years. Now, this is not financial advice, just my personal perspective and observations. The first sector is healthcare and insurance. As lifestyles become more stressful and populations age, healthcare demand is rising rapidly across India. One strong blue chip company I personally find interesting in this sector is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. The second sector is renewable energy. The entire world is shifting toward cleaner and sustainable energy solutions. India is investing heavily into solar and green infrastructure. One company many investors closely watch here is NTPC, because of its growing renewable energy focus. The third sector is information technology and AI. India already has strong global IT capabilities, and with AI, cloud computing, and automation expanding rapidly, this space could continue evolving significantly. One of the strongest blue chip names here is Tata Consultancy Services. The fourth sector is real estate, especially tier 2 cities in India, which are growing rapidly due to infrastructure and aspirational lifestyle growth. One respected company in this sector is Oberoi Realty. The fifth sector is FMCG, products people use every single day: food, essentials, personal care. These businesses remain relevant regardless of economic cycles. One of India's strongest blue chip companies here is Hindustan Unilever. And finally, automobiles and electric mobility. The future of transportation is changing rapidly, with EVs and smart mobility solutions becoming mainstream. One company that stands out strongly in this space is Maruti Suzuki India. But honestly, beyond sectors and stocks, I think the biggest lesson is this: we should not only work for money, we should learn how money works. Because preserving value is becoming just as important as creating wealth, especially in a world where currencies slowly depreciate over time and global uncertainty continues increasing. And that's why I think long-term thinking, financial awareness, and intelligent investing are becoming essential life skills. I'd genuinely love to hear your thoughts as well. Which sector do you believe has the strongest future in India over the next 10 years? Let me know in the comments. Because the best investment we can make is becoming wiser with time.